For decades, real estate investing has been like an exclusive club, one with velvet ropes and guarded gates where only a select few could enter. The dream of owning property, building wealth, and securing your financial future was something most people could only watch from the outside, wishing they had a way in. If you didn't have tens of thousands of dollars saved up for a down payment, you were simply out of luck. The barrier to entry was high, and for many, it felt impossible to cross. The process itself was overwhelming. Agents to negotiate with, mountains of paperwork to fill out, and a maze of legal jargon that could leave your head spinning. Even the most determined buyers often found themselves lost in the complexity. And after all that, if you managed to buy, you became a landlord overnight. Suddenly, you were responsible for repairs, maintenance, and dealing with tenant issues, turning what was supposed to be passive income into a second job. For most people, the sheer cost and hassle made real estate investing feel out of reach. The risks seemed too high, and the rewards too distant. And if you did take the plunge, all your hard-earned savings were locked into a single property, in a single neighborhood. There was no safety net, no way to spread out your risk. Diversifying your investments across different markets or property types? That was nearly impossible for the average person. You couldn't just own a piece of a building in another city or state. And when life changed and you needed cash, real estate was anything but liquid. You couldn't just sell a room or a portion. You had to sell the entire property, a process that could drag on for months, leaving you stuck and stressed. All of this made real estate investing risky, complicated, and ultimately inaccessible for most people who wanted a better financial future. The old system kept everyday people locked out, watching from the sidelines as others built wealth through property ownership. But what if there was a way to change all that? What if the doors to real estate investing could finally swing open for everyone, not just the privileged few? Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of background or bank balance, could invest in real estate and start building wealth. What if real estate investing could finally be open to everyone? Enter the Investors Pool, a groundbreaking platform launching today, designed to completely transform the way people think about property ownership. For decades, real estate investment has been reserved for the wealthy or well-connected, but now, that's all about to change. With the Investors Pool, owning a piece of U.S. real estate is now as simple and accessible as buying a share of your favorite company's stock. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. No complicated paperwork, no huge down payments, and no need to be a millionaire. The secret behind this innovation? Tokenization. Imagine a luxury apartment building, or a row of townhouses, divided into thousands of digital tokens. Each token represents a real, legal share of the property, giving you a stake in the building itself, not just a piece of paper. When you buy a token, you're not just making an investment, you're becoming a co-owner. Your ownership is recorded securely and transparently on the blockchain, ensuring your rights are protected and your investment is safe from tampering or fraud. Each property is held in its own separate company, so your token gives you enforceable, legal rights to real, tangible assets. This structure means your investment is protected, and you have a direct claim to the property's value. As a token holder, you'll earn your share of rental income and profits from property sales, just like a traditional landlord, but without the hassle of managing tenants or repairs. Fractional Syndication LLC, led by visionary entrepreneur Michael Fernandez, created the Investors Pool to break down the barriers that have kept everyday people out of real estate for so long. By combining the security and transparency of blockchain technology with full legal compliance, they're opening doors that were once locked tight, making real estate investment safer, more transparent, and more inclusive than ever before. No more massive barriers to entry, just a world of opportunity, where anyone can participate and benefit from the growth of the real estate market. The Investors Pool empowers you to join the U.S. real estate market, no matter your background or bank balance. You don't need a fortune, just the desire to invest and grow your wealth. This is a new beginning for anyone who's ever dreamed of being a property investor, but thought it was out of reach. Now, the dream is within your grasp. The club is no longer exclusive. It's open to you. Welcome to the Investors Pool, where your journey in real estate begins today. The Investors Pool's biggest breakthrough? It's making real estate investing accessible to everyone, no matter your background or experience. You can start investing with just $100. That's right. No need to wait until you've saved thousands or have years of experience. No more waiting years to save for a down payment. Start building your portfolio today. With just a small amount, you can take your first step into the world of real estate, right from your phone or laptop. Signing up is simple. Visit theinvestorspool.com, create an account, and verify your identity. The process is designed to be quick and user-friendly, so you can get started in minutes. Once approved, deposit funds and browse available properties. The platform offers a wide range of investment opportunities, from residential apartments to innovative green projects. Each listing gives you photos, location details, investment strategy, and financial projections. You'll have all the information you need to make smart, informed decisions. Decide how much to invest. Put $100 in one property or spread it across several. You can diversify your investments, even with a small starting amount. You're in control, building a diversified portfolio one token at a time. Watch your investments grow and track your progress through the easy-to-use dashboard. Own a piece of an apartment in Texas, a co-living space in a tech hub, or a solar farm. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are growing every day. Diversification is now possible from day one. You can spread your risk and explore different types of properties, all within a single platform. Learn as you go, with minimal risk. The platform offers educational resources, so you can build your knowledge while you invest. The platform makes real estate accessible, flexible, and educational. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or planning for retirement, you can start your journey today. Start small, grow at your own pace. Watch your investments flourish as you gain confidence and experience. Real estate investing is no longer just for the wealthy. It's for anyone with the drive to get started, regardless of age or background. It's for anyone ready to take the first step. With the Investors Pool, your journey into real estate begins with just $100 and a vision for your future. Traditional real estate locks up your money for years, but the Investors Pool changes that. Their secondary market lets you buy, sell, and trade tokens, just like stocks. Need cash? List your tokens for sale. Another investor can buy them instantly. This flexibility means you're never stuck. You can react to market trends and manage your portfolio actively. Sell when you think a property's peaked, reinvest in new opportunities, or cash out when life demands it. You're not a passive landlord. You're an active investor. Liquidity reduces risk and gives you peace of mind. The platform creates a vibrant ecosystem where investors can enter and exit easily. Your investment isn't a prison. It's a dynamic asset you control. Real estate is finally as flexible as your needs. The power is in your hands. Buy, sell, trade, on your terms. Welcome to a new era of real estate investing. Safety and trust are at the core of the Investors Pool. The platform operates under strict SEC regulations. Reg D for U.S. investors, Reg S for international ones. Every investor goes through identity verification and anti-money laundering checks, creating a trusted community. Blockchain technology secures every transaction, making ownership records tamper-proof. Your investment is protected by legal compliance, robust security, and transparent technology. No shortcuts, just a fortress of protection. You can invest with confidence, knowing your money is safe. Security isn't an afterthought, it's the foundation. The Investors Pool offers a curated selection of high-growth U.S. real estate. Invest in multifamily apartments for steady rental income or master-planned communities for long-term growth. Explore co-living spaces, corporate housing, and insurance relocation properties, modern solutions for today's renters. Go beyond residential, invest in solar farms and other specialty projects for both returns and sustainability. Diversify across property types and markets. Build a resilient portfolio tailored to your goals. There's something for every investor, no matter your experience. Real estate investing has never been this accessible or varied. The Investors Pool is a true game changer. Finally, everyday people can build wealth through real estate. Start investing with your first paycheck, not after decades of saving. Build a diversified portfolio, learn as you go, and harness the power of compounding. Transparent data and blockchain records put you in control. No more relying on gatekeepers. See your investments' performance in real time. This is about empowerment and inclusion. Own a piece of your community, participate in the economy, and help close the wealth gap. The future of finance is open to all. Let's be clear, the Investors Pool isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Every investment carries risk, and real estate is no exception. Property values can go up or down due to market shifts, economic changes, or local events. The value of your tokens depends on the underlying property. Losses are possible. Liquidity isn't guaranteed. You need a buyer for your tokens, especially in a downturn. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Think long-term. This video is for information only, not financial advice. Always read the official documents and do your own research. Assess your goals and risk tolerance before investing. If unsure, consult a certified financial advisor. Be smart, be cautious, and invest responsibly. Real estate is powerful, but only when you understand the risks. Today, real estate investing is finally open to everyone. The Investors Pool breaks down barriers. Now, your ambition matters more than your bank account. Start with $100, own a piece of America, and build your portfolio over time. Invest in apartments, communities, and even solar farms. Diversify and grow. Buy, sell, and trade on your terms, with security and transparency at every step. This is the future of investing. Accessible, flexible, and built for you. Don't watch from the sidelines. Take control of your financial destiny. The door is open. All it takes is the courage to step through and start your journey. Welcome to a new era of real estate investing.